The spare tire on a 2021-2024 Cadillac Escalade is located underneath the rear of the vehicle. Park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and open the rear liftgate. Locate the tire carrier release lever inside the left rear cargo area, often under a small flap. Pull this lever to disengage the carrier lock. Use the provided strap or handle to carefully lower the tire carrier to the ground. Disconnect the spare tire from the carrier by removing the retaining bolt or strap. Roll the spare tire away, being mindful of its weight, which is around 40 to 50 pounds. The jack and lug wrench are stored in the left rear cargo area of your Escalade under a removable cover or in a toolbox. The jack points on the vehicle are near the front wheel wells and under the rocker panel in the rear, marked by notches in the frame. To change a flat, first, remove the wheel cover if equipped. Loosen the lug nuts while the tire is still on the ground. Position the jack at the correct jack point and raise the vehicle until the flat tire is off the ground. Remove the lug nuts completely and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare tire, hand tighten the lug nuts, lower the vehicle, and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Secure the flat tire back in the spare tire carrier. Remember, the spare is temporary use only. Drive cautiously and have the flat repaired or replaced.